In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Viva Learning, personalized learning experience through Microsoft 365. We'll walk through how to access Viva Learning, connect trusted content providers, surface internal training from SharePoint, and help employees personalize what they see so recommendations truly match their interests. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up as an administrator and how to make the most of it as an employee. Start by opening Microsoft 365 and heading to the Apps Hub. Sign in with your work account, then look for the Learning app. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top or open All Apps. Once you find it, consider pinning it so it's always handy in your app launcher. Open Learning, and you'll land on the Viva Learning home experience. From here, administrators can configure where learning content comes from. Select Manage Providers, then choose Add Provider. You'll need the appropriate admin permissions to do this. If you don't see the option, you're likely in an employee view, and that's perfectly fine. Hang tight, we'll cover your next steps shortly. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect sources like LinkedIn Learning, Microsoft Learn, or third-party learning management systems such as Cornerstone or Saba. Before you begin, make sure you have any required subscriptions and admin credentials for those services. As you connect each provider, review consent screens, select which groups or the entire organization should see the content, and allow time for the first content sync to complete. It's a good idea to test the connection by opening a few sample courses to confirm they launch as expected. Next, add internal SharePoint content so your own policies, onboarding guides, or skill paths appear alongside external courses. As an administrator, choose the SharePoint sites or libraries that hold your learning materials. Confirm that permissions are set so intended audiences can access the files, and add helpful details like titles, thumbnails, and tags. This metadata makes your internal content easier to find and recommend. Now, for employees, personalize your experience by picking your interests. When prompted, choose at least 2 topics that align with your role or goals. You can update these anytime, and doing so tunes your home feed and recommendations to what matters most to you. Finally, browse the catalog. Use search and filters to narrow by provider, duration, or skill. When you find something worth revisiting, tap the bookmark icon to save it to your My Learning tab. That's your single place to come back later, resume in-progress items, and keep track of what you plan to learn next. And that's it. Access Viva Learning, connect providers, add internal content, set your interests, and bookmark what you want to learn. Enjoy building a learning culture tailored to everyone in your organization.